Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on IFN Vegetarian. Today's recipe is going to be tangy cauliflower fritters, which is ideal for a monsoon afternoon. Today's batter is a light tempura-styled batter, which is made with rice flour and one secret ingredient. So we're going to start by heating our oil. We're going to first add our rice flour. I'm going to add a little bit of baking powder, some dried oregano, some salt, some lemon zest, and then give it a little stir before I put in my secret ingredient. So I always put soda water and I make sure it's chilled. A substitute is beer, very cold beer, and some even put San Pellegrino. So it's entirely up to you and what you have in your fridge. The trick to a very crispy batter is a very thin batter. So you have to make sure that you've taken out all the lumps to make it as smooth as possible. And then I take my cauliflower, I've parboiled them, and I'm going to gently coat them in some rice flour. So I'm going to shake off the excess and then dip it in this batter. Just lightly coat it and then dip it into your hot oil. Some of them are done. I'm going to gently take them out. They're just slightly browned. You don't want them any browner than this. And now I'm just going to dress them up with some fresh parsley, lemon squeeze, salt and pepper. This is my go-to recipe for the monsoon afternoons. They're called tangy cauliflower fritters, and I hope you like them, and do give it a shot at home. Share, like and comment on this video and subscribe to IFN Vegetarian.